I'll tell you what, this is so beautiful. I absolutely love it.
So what do you think?
Yeah, we actually been
Fun.
talking about
Good stuff.
Not bad, huh?
I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
used to have this rainstorm.
What a new.
This is a do again.
Yeah, I think so. We are doing a little pickup here tonight over at Walmart, your favorite place.
You can hear the rattling. That's the trailer in the back because we're picking up kayaks.
Yeah, we went kayaking, as you'll see the video, a little over a week and a half ago, and we really, really liked it, but we rented inflatables, and then we got to try just the sit on top of kayaks, and we're like, oh, let's get some of these. So Flagstaff actually has them on sale. They're down in Cottonwood, Clarkdale.
Not on sale. In order to save several $100s, we're going to buy them here in Flagstaff. We're going to buy them and then take them down to Clarkdale.
Yeah, and then we have a tiny little motorcycle trailer that I have no idea this is going to work at all, whether or not we can actually strap them there, they stay on, they don't get damaged. I don't know. But
Stay tuned.
it's what we have, so we're going to MacGyver this thing.
Quite the adventure we're on, Tate.
Well, the door's locked at the garden center.
Does this one work? Oh, do not enter.
So there's the stack of kayaks.
Stack.
The Sabre 100 XP. Spent all the money on this one.
Oh, look at that.
So this one's expensive. These two are expensive. $324, but these are on sale at $199. But what's cool about these are fishing kayaks, but they got this dry storage.
Oh.
So I thought, especially with cameras and all that kind of stuff, would be a bad thing. But they all got the little. This one, of course, has got a bunch of junk in it. But yeah, they got little storage, and they're a little better than, like, say, this orange and these lime birds.
We have links below to the 2 kayaks that we purchased, and we also included a link to a highly rated inflatable kayaks. The inflatable kayaks are much less expensive. They just don't handle as well, which is why we preferred the sit on top.
So this is okay here. This one, this is for your feet. So
Oh.
push up against it.
This has that too.
So this one seems to be okay. And then this one, same thing. That's all intact. So this one's got crap in it. Or I don't know what this is. What
Well,
is this stuff?
I bet if you read those directions right there, it might tell you.
This just has to be adjusted. This is a pretty good shape. You can tell this is a little wet,
It's fine.
but it's got the handle there, handle here. Well, that be that. The little knees. This is the one from out front too. It's kind of in the thing, but I think it's. Okay, so that one's intact.
I mean, bottom line is these are going to be out in the sun anyway. So. And then when we're done, we're going to pick up one of these. You can ride that around downtown Clarkdale.
Well, that brings me back to my childhood. So yeah, radio flyers. I used to have a little red wagon that was a radio flyer, and that was fun.
All right, Mark is doing all the work. He's buying, he's finding people to carry him out. Me, I figured I'll sit here and try it out. Okay, look at this big mama. That is one black widow spider right there.
Associate to the Garden Center for carry out.
Ooh, associate to the garden center. That's for us. That's for all this.
We're getting some paddles.
All right.
Paddle time.
Stop. Pedal
Usually have
time.
one set of paddles. Maybe there's some other ones. Maybe a little padding to help. I don't know.
As you can see, I'm hard at work. All right, so we got them locked and loaded.
Wow.
And
We
now,
think they're locked and loaded. We're here a couple of weeks ago. We rented some inflatables in Clarkdale, and we had a really good time doing the kayak thing. So what we did is we went out and we bought kayaks. Yeah, Jackie's got her car key in here. She can put her phone in there. So that's kind of nice. Adjustable footrests for paddling and stuff like that. I've got 4 life vests at Walmart for like 15 bucks. And then put the water in here, and you got the little handles to kind of carry them and stuff. But these are called sit-on kayaks, rather the ones where they're kind of a deep bowl. These are sit-on kayaks, and I did try one out the last time we were out, and really kind of liked what they kind of offered. So these are 10-footers, and we're just going to do this sort of mild Verde River here, and that's all you really need is 10 feet. You don't really want the real short ones because you're not doing rapids, and you don't want the really super long ones because you want the maneuverability. And that's about the extent of what I know about kayaks at this point.
so already we're learning. We parked at the top and just walked them down. However, you can actually drive down here, and then boom, you're right here. Now we know for next time.
We are just about ready. Just gotta assemble these kayak paddles, which is easy. Perfect.
Mark did a ton of research before we purchased our kayaks, and really we wanted to put this video together as a resource for you because a lot of the research we did is just not who we are. We're novice recreational users, and we have no intention of doing any crazy whitewater rapids or fishing on the ocean. So if that sounds like you, then you may find this helpful. And again, we've got all the links below.
There he is. Got a little lemonade stand here, which is smart. Ostrich for the evening. Got ducks and chickens and geese. Oh my. Hi babies. Hi babies. Oh, there's one with a little, you got a little man bun. Look at you, you got a little man bun. Hi babies! Hi the little geese. Hello. Oh, there's the llamas back there. Oh, I know. You don't really like me coming in your world, do ya? We're against the wind. keep getting sent backwards. That's okay, it's a lovely day out.
Sailing right on by.
Let us know in the comments below. Are you kayakers? Are you serious? Or are you more like us, just trying to figure it out and have a good time? We would love to hear from you, and let us know where your favorite place to kayak is. Don't forget to subscribe for more adventures from the Empty Nester life.